wanted to put together a video on how to do adjustable layer heights in Prusa Slicer, because it's an incredible feature. If you were to, in order for this is my model, in order for this to print out properly or quickly, if I pick a nice, let's see, draft mode, that's okay. If I pick a nice draft mode and I click OK, look at that, look how nasty that would print out. It doesn't print right. So if I pick a really fine draft mode, this is an hour and 6 minutes. If I pick a fine draft mode, ultra detailed, and I go ahead and slice that, even though that's super, super pretty, this thing is going to take 7 hours to print, which is ridiculous. So what Prusa has done, which is ingenious, is create a variable layer height in the same model. And Simplify 3D does that as well, but it's not as fluid. You pick zones and you pick the layer height. This one is much more fluid, and I want to show you how to use it. All right, so let me come in here. I want to print most of the body at O2 quality mode. All right, hold on. Let's go ahead and... So this is what it would look like. And see, that's just not going to come out very well. And then what I want to do, I want to pick my model. I'm going to go into the model settings, and this is the variable layer height adjustment. And I'm just going to go like that. And so what I have is a model, and let's say the print quality is 0.5 of a millimeter, and the radius is 5 millimeters. And what you do, if you use the left mouse button to add detail, you use the right mouse button to remove detail. So I want this section of the model from about here up to be fine detail, but from here down, I want it to be regular detail. So this is from the top of the model down to, and you can see the layer height. See, if I want to go from here on up, and what I'm doing is it is calculating the best layer height for this. Now, in reality, I just want this whole top piece to be, I'm not going to worry about it. I want this whole top piece to be the finer. I could probably reduce this from about there to there. So from about here to here, I've reduced the layer height a little bit. It's not quite to the, no, I just want to go ahead and just do it all. Screw it, I'll take the hit. So anything that's in green is going to print at 0.5 millimeter. Anything that's in orange, it will print at it'll print at my O2 setting. So let me go ahead and slice this. And here I have a print that's going to take 3 hours when the print would have taken, it would have taken 7 hours if it was all 0.05. And so I think this is an incredibly powerful feature, especially to get details on models that have rounded tops or any surface that's facing up that is domed. This is an incredible feature to get to maximize print speed and quality.